A well-maintained system is crucial for security tools to function properly. Open your terminal. First, we'll update our system's package list. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This command connects to your system's software repositories. It downloads the latest information about available packages. Now type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. This command actually installs the available updates. While this updates, let me explain why system updates are crucial for security tools. Outdated systems might have compatibility issues, and they might lack necessary dependencies for our tools. Now that our system is updated, let's install Tookie OSINT. Open your web browser. Search for Tookie OSINT. You should see the repository by Alfred Bird as the first result. Click it, and copy the repository URL from your address bar. Back in your terminal, we'll clone the repository. Type git clone and paste the URL here you copied. Press enter and watch the cloning process. Now we need to set up our Python virtual environment. Navigate to the tools directory by typing cd Tookie OSINT. Now we'll create our virtual environment. Type python 3m vnv.vnv and press enter. The VNV module creates a new virtual environment named .vnv. To activate our virtual environment, type source.vnv/bin/activate. Notice how your prompt changes? That shows you're now working in an isolated environment. Time to install dependencies. Run pip3 install rrequirements.txt. This might take a few minutes as it installs everything Tookie OSINT needs to function. Now all dependencies are installed, let's run the tool. Type python 3 Tookie OSINT and click enter. When prompted, type Y to download headers. Headers are crucial for making web requests look legitimate. Now we're ready for our first OSINT investigation. The tool will ask for a target username. For this demonstration, we'll use a fictional username John_Doe123. This is a fictional username for educational purposes. Before we start scanning, let's learn about available commands. Type H to see all available commands. This shows us the complete command reference. Type FAS. F is for fast, A is for all, and S is to start the program and press enter. Watch how methodically Tookie OSINT works. It's checking hundreds of platforms. Hold Ctrl and click any link with your mouse. Your browser will open that profile directly. All this information is automatically saved. Check the captured folder in your Tookie OSINT directory. You'll find a detailed text report of all findings. This automatic documentation is crucial for professional work. Now let's talk about protecting yourself from OSINT.